Unlock the secret powers of pumpkin seeds. Dive into the incredible world of pumpkin seeds and unlock their hidden health treasures. These tiny powerhouses are packed with essential nutrients that can transform your well-being. Their benefits span from heart health to mood improvement, making them a must-add to your diet. Pumpkin seeds are high in magnesium, zinc, and healthy fats, supports heart and immune health. Pumpkin seeds are a superfood brimming with essential nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Easy to incorporate into meals, they offer a delicious way to boost your health. With their nutty flavor, they enhance both sweet and savory dishes. Rich in magnesium and healthy fats, pumpkin seeds play a vital role in heart health. They help reduce the risk of heart disease by maintaining healthy cholesterol levels and supporting proper blood circulation. Enjoy them as a heart-smart snack. Supporting bone health is another benefit of pumpkin seeds, thanks to their calcium and zinc content. These nutrients work together to strengthen bones and prevent osteoporosis. Regular consumption can help maintain a strong, healthy skeletal system throughout your life. Zinc found in pumpkin seeds is a powerhouse for the immune system. This essential mineral helps the body fight off infections and supports the production of immune cells. Including pumpkin seeds in your diet can enhance your body's natural defense mechanisms. Tryptophan, an amino acid found in pumpkin seeds, plays a crucial role in mood enhancement by boosting serotonin levels. This natural mood lifter aids in alleviating stress and anxiety, while also promoting restful sleep, helping you wake up refreshed and energized. Pumpkin seeds are packed with fiber and protein, making them an excellent choice for weight management. These nutrients promote satiety, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Incorporating them into your diet can help you maintain a healthy weight effectively and deliciously. With their low glycemic index and rich nutrient profile, pumpkin seeds help stabilize blood sugar levels. This makes them an excellent choice for those seeking to manage diabetes or prevent blood sugar spikes, supporting overall metabolic health and energy balance. Loaded with antioxidants like vitamin E and carotenoids, pumpkin seeds combat harmful free radicals in the body. These powerful compounds help reduce oxidative stress, protect cells from damage, and support a healthy immune system, contributing to your overall well-being. Pumpkin seeds play a vital role in supporting prostate health. They contain phytosterols and zinc, which can help reduce the risk of prostate enlargement and improve urinary function. Regular consumption contributes to maintaining prostate health, especially as men age. Pumpkin seeds are packed with anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Their rich content of omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants work together to combat inflammatory responses, promoting overall wellness and potentially alleviating symptoms of chronic conditions. Rich in fiber, pumpkin seeds support digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and nourishing beneficial gut bacteria. Their fiber content aids in preventing constipation and helps maintain a healthy digestive tract, contributing to overall gut health and comfort. These tiny seeds are a boon for skin health, providing essential nutrients like vitamin E and zinc that promote a radiant complexion. Their antioxidants help fight oxidative stress, reducing signs of aging and leaving skin looking vibrant and youthful. Pumpkin seeds are known for their contribution to hair growth and strength. Packed with nutrients like zinc and selenium, they support hair follicle health, encouraging growth and reducing hair loss. Their rich nutrient profile helps maintain shiny, resilient, and healthy hair. Magnesium, abundantly found in pumpkin seeds, is crucial for overall health, playing a vital role in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body. It supports muscle and nerve function, regulates blood pressure, and helps build strong bones, enhancing overall vitality. Pumpkin seeds are a versatile snack that can be easily incorporated into your meals. Toss them into salads, sprinkle over yogurt, or blend into smoothies. Their mild, nutty flavor complements both sweet and savory dishes, adding nutritional value effortlessly. Rich in a wide range of vitamins and minerals, pumpkin seeds are a nutrient-dense powerhouse. They provide essential nutrients like vitamin E, magnesium, and iron, supporting overall health and well-being. Just a handful can significantly boost your daily nutritional intake. Pumpkin seeds play a crucial role in supporting hormonal balance. Their rich content of zinc and healthy fats aids in regulating hormones, promoting reproductive health, and reducing symptoms of hormonal imbalances. Including them in your diet helps maintain hormonal health naturally. Improved sleep quality is one of the benefits of consuming pumpkin seeds. The combination of magnesium and tryptophan supports better sleep by promoting relaxation and regulating sleep cycles. A handful of seeds before bedtime can enhance your sleep experience and overall restfulness. The heart-healthy fats in pumpkin seeds, including omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, contribute to cardiovascular health. These essential fats help maintain cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation, supporting a healthy heart and reducing the risk of heart disease. Pumpkin seeds are packed with nutrients that support liver function, aiding in detoxification and promoting overall digestive health. Their rich content of antioxidants helps protect liver cells from damage, ensuring this vital organ continues to operate efficiently and effectively. Research suggests that pumpkin seeds may have anti-cancer properties due to their high antioxidant levels. These antioxidants combat oxidative stress and inflammation, potentially reducing the risk of certain cancers and contributing to a healthier, more resilient body over time. Rich in magnesium and protein, pumpkin seeds provide a natural energy boost. These nutrients help maintain energy levels throughout the day, making them an ideal snack for those seeking a sustained energy source without the crash associated with sugary alternatives. The iron content in pumpkin seeds plays a crucial role in preventing anemia. By supporting the production of healthy red blood cells, these seeds help ensure enough oxygen reaches tissues, reducing fatigue and promoting overall vitality and well-being. Pumpkin seeds contribute to cognitive function by supplying essential nutrients like zinc and magnesium, which are vital for brain health. These nutrients support memory and concentration, helping to maintain mental sharpness and clarity as part of a balanced diet. Pumpkin seeds are a powerhouse for hormone regulation, helping to balance insulin and other crucial hormones. Their nutrient-rich profile supports the endocrine system, making them a natural ally in maintaining hormonal harmony and promoting overall health and well-being. These seeds are incredibly versatile in the kitchen, offering endless culinary possibilities. From adding a delightful crunch to salads and soups to being blended into smoothies or baked into bread, pumpkin seeds can effortlessly enhance your meals with nutrition. As an eco-friendly snack, pumpkin seeds shine as a sustainable, plant-based protein source. Choosing them supports environmental health by reducing reliance on animal proteins, making them an excellent choice for those who are environmentally conscious and health-focused. Incorporating pumpkin seeds into your diet doesn't have to break the bank. They offer affordable nutrition, providing a cost-effective way to enjoy a wide array of vitamins, minerals, and health benefits without compromising your budget or dietary goals. Embrace a healthier lifestyle by adding pumpkin seeds to your meals today. Their myriad health benefits, affordability, and versatility make them an easy addition that can transform your diet and boost your overall well-being. Start enjoying their power now. Like, share, subscribe, share, and like for more informative videos.